Hook midnight to 0:15. 80% of businesses will use AI by 2026. That's huge. AI is everywhere. It's changing everything. You need to know this. AI is the future. Don't get left behind. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Big news: Anthropic delays AI model. Security concerns are real. But AI is still growing. New tools emerge daily. They're game changers. Let's dive in. These tools will blow your mind. You'll be amazed. AI is getting better. It's more powerful. It's more accessible. You can use it now. No more waiting. The time is now. Notion 1 to 2:30. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. It's huge, 20 million users. Most impressive feature, customization. Imagine you need to organize projects. Instead of 5 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. It's fast. It's easy. Price, free or $10 per MO. Who needs this? Entrepreneurs. They need to stay organized. Notion helps. It's a lifesaver. Try it now. You'll love it. It's amazing. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper writes high-quality content. It's fast, 5x faster. Most impressive feature, quality. Imagine you need to write articles. Instead of 10 hours, Jasper does it in 2 hours. It's a time saver. It's a game changer. Price, $29 per MO. Who needs this? Content creators. They need to produce content. Jasper helps. It's a must-have. Try it now. You'll see. It's amazing. Chat 4 to 5:30. ChatGPT answers questions. It's accurate, 90% correct. Most impressive feature, knowledge. Imagine you need to research topics. Instead of 5 hours,